Third graders, I'm going to show you a couple of origami folds that we're going to be using for our radial design project. This will be able to use these to create different types of patterns and designs. These are called the kite folds. These are called the hat folds. And then I have this one here, which is the square fold. So we're going to start with the hat folds. The hat folds, you would take whatever color paper you choose, and you're going to fold it up all the way to the top edge, line it up here, and when you have it lined up, you're going to crease it down and press with your thumb. Now you have two sides. You have the open side and you have the crease side. I keep the crease side closest to me, and I take one corner while I'm holding down the other side, and I bend this corner up without pressing it down, yet I line it up at the top edge. You want it to line up as close as you can get, and once you have it where you want it, you press it down and swipe it with your finger. I also take my nail and swipe it that way too to give it a nice crease. Then you switch sides. You hold the other side down, take this corner with your fingers, and bring this side up. Bring it up so it lines up at the top, press it down, and then swipe it with your thumbnail. This is called the hat triangle. Now we're going to move on to the kite triangle. Again, you're going to take a colored piece of paper. You're going to fold it upwards and crease it. Crease it, and then open it up. And then you want the line of symmetry where the fold is up and down like this. And you are going to fold it again. And crease it so that when you open it up, you have a line here for a fold and a line there for a fold. When you're doing this, then you're going to know where your lines are. So when we open this up, we're going to have it on a diagonal. We're going to take the corner and we're going to bend it to the middle and crease it. Hold it down, take the other edge, bend it to the middle, crease it, and hold it down. So let's do that here. So we have our fold here and our fold here. If you think of a kite, it has a point, so start with the point at the top. Take this corner, bring it towards the center fold line while holding it down with the other hand. Line it up, swipe it down, use that fingernail, hold this side down, bring the edge over, line it up, crease it, swipe it down. Notice both of my edges are slightly off, and honestly, that is okay. Once we open it, it kind of pops up anyways, and you really don't see that edge as much as you think you would. This is called the kite fold. And the last one I wanted to show you is the square fold. Looks like a square, but then it has these triangles that pop up like this. So again, you're going to take a square piece of paper. You're going to fold it upward, crease it down, use that nail, turn it, do the same thing, fold it upward, crease it down, use your nail, and then open it. You have your line folds, which is kind of like a cross. Then we're going to take every single corner and we're going to bend it to the center. So I'm going to start with this bottom corner. I hold the paper down and I use my one hand to bend it to the corner, and I line it up as accurately as I can to that center. The first fold will set the rest of the folds, so if your first fold is not in the center, none of them will be. Swipe it with my thumb. I'm going to turn it because that's what I like to do. Then I take this corner, hold the other paper side down, bring it to the corner edge, right to the center, press it down here, use my finger, swipe it, then I turn it, hold it down, take this corner, bring it to the center, hold it down with my finger, press it down, swipe it with my nail, and my last corner, bring it to the center, try not to overlap. That one wanted to overlap, so I'm going to slow down. There we go. Hold it down, press it down, and swipe it with my finger. So these are the square folds. These are the kite folds. And these are the hat folds. We're going to practice these. I'd like you to try at least 3 or 4 of each folds so that you get comfortable with it.